Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will gonna see what is mean by instance property and what is mean by type property. So for that first I will select the wall. Let me go in the wall architect and let me select the property. So here is your property window is open now. Now I am drawing the wall. See, let me make it little bigger. Escape. Let me make it little bigger. Yeah, this dimension is okay. And chain, yes, and this one and this one is fine. Now to exit from the command, press two times of escape button. And now what I'm saying, what is instance property and what is type property. So basically, let me select this wall and let me activate the 3D view also. Yeah, so let me select this wall and this wall height is unconnected 8000 mm and let me make it as 4000. So see, it is 4000 and when I entered the value of height here, then it will not affect the others wall, just the wall which I have selected, only that wall's height get changed, right? If I wanted to increase this height, let me make it as a 12 meter. See, only this wall height is get affected, right? So this so height is basically is a instance property. Means if we are making any kind of changes in a particular element, then that particular element will get modified only, not the other element of that of similar kind of the of other element which possess similar property. Okay, what does exactly mean? Let me tell you. You can see this wall width of this wall is 200 mm. Yes, see 200 mm written here, right? So all the wall width is 200 mm, right? And if you wanted to change anything in that, see here is a width is 200 mm, right? Let me edit it, and if I wanted to change this wall, let me make it as a 600 mm. Okay, okay, and let me press OK, and again OK. You can see all the wall 1 2 3 4, all the walls width is now 600 mm. So basically width is a type property. So what does it mean? Means if you are made any kind of changes in a particular uh, type property, means in a particular wall or that will call as type property, then it will affect the every element in that project, every element in that project which are of similar property, right? This is generic 200 mm wall. This all four are generic 200 mm wall, so all get affected, right? Okay, and so this is with each our type property for and this height is our instant property. Means if we are making any kind of changes in the element in a particular element, then only that element get affected. That property is known as instant property. Okay, that's for today.